Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Slung St. Pete, and we can go over some of the options available. I want to bring to your attention two homes that hit the market this morning, and they couldn't be more amazing. So the beachfront opportunity, Christian Fidel of Fidel and Company has listed a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,254 square foot Florida style bungalow here in Treasure Island, and you have 50 feet of beach waterfront. Like you're walking maybe from the back door to the shoreline, you're looking at maybe 100 feet, but it's all yours. It's amazing. It's been newly renovated. It's open floor plan. It's amazing, and also there's no HOA. So if you're thinking about perhaps Airbnb or VRBOing this property, you know it's a great location because it's on the water. It's on the beach. I can't speak highly enough about this because of the open floor plan, the wood tile, the wood flooring all throughout. It's an amazing, amazing property. Next, we have in Clearwater Beach, a Home Trust Realty Group listed property, and Maria Gutierrez Londono is the listing agent. And this 3-bed, 2.5-bath, 2,685 square foot property is an amazing opportunity because it's literally 5 minutes from Clearwater Beach. It's a 10-minute drive to downtown Clearwater, and of course about a 15 to 20-minute drive down to downtown St. Pete. It's an amazing location, newly renovated as of 2021. There's a new boat dock with a boat lift. There is a great renovated kitchen with stone countertops. It's meant for entertaining, and you have about 80 feet of canal waterfront, so plenty of room for the boat or some jet skis. And it's an amazing entertainer's paradise. It's palatial on the inside. It's a bungalow, but you wouldn't think in going inside because of the high ceilings. And this home has been listed for $2,390,000. Now, if these homes or any other on the market of interest to you, or you want to know what's not on the market, something that might be potentially coming soon, I'd like to talk to you about it and see what your options are. 727-303-1521 or on my Instagram or TikTok at CD Sung St. Pete. Talk to you later.